Hey everybody, it's Barbie here. Don't mind my hair, but I'm outside right now in the wilderness, see? And to be honest with you, I'm a little creeped out. Hey Barbie, come here. Yeah, there's two Barbies. We're both named Barbie. Oh well. Yeah, I'm a hot mess right now, but I don't really care. Yes. What is it, Barbie? Go get Ken. If anything happens, he can protect us. Ken, get over here. We need you.
Yeah? What is it?
You need to protect us. Yeah, you do. We're gonna go for a walk, so we're having you come with us because if anything happens, you will take the fall for it. Precisely.
Alright. Mission accepted.
Let's go. Like, yay, this is gonna be so much fun. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Oh yeah. This is gonna be the best day of my life.
Hey Ken, remember when I said you would take the fall for us? Well, I want you to climb that tree right now. You said you would take the fall for us.
I bet. I'm gonna climb that tree and own it.
Stop talking like that, Ken. You're not a gangster. Now go climb that damn tree.
Alright, fine. Oh, it's so hard. Oh.
Ken, I'm getting sick of your shit. Stop being a damn weakling and climb the tree.
Alright, Barbie. I got this shit. Barbie, I made it. Barbie, I made it.
Oh, nice job, Ken. Yeah, great job, Ken.
Now how am I supposed to get down from here? I can't make it.
Okay, Barbie, he needs help. Yeah, he does, Barbie. Can I do the honors? Yes, you can. Okay, Ken, I'm gonna shake this tree. Do you come down?
No, please, please, please.
No. You are coming on down, and you said you would take the fall, so you're gonna take the fall. Get down here, Ken. Get down here.
Oh, that hurt.
I don't care. That's what you get.
Ah, crap. That hurt really bad. Help me up, Barbie.
Okay, Ken, I guess I'll help you up. Okay, there you go. Are you feeling a little better?
Yeah, I guess. Let's keep moving.
Okay, everybody, let's get walking. Yeah, let's keep moving. It's kind of creepy in here.
That's a fact, though. It is creepy in here.
Ken, stop trying to act tough with those gangster words. Like, Ken, really? Have more class for yourself. Stop talking like that. Ugh.
Okay, Barbie.
Where on earth are we going? Are we just gonna keep walking through the woods? Well, yeah, we're trying to figure a way out of here. Like, so far, my legs hurt, my hair's a mess. Let's just get this over with, everybody, and let's get out of here.
Yeah, I want to go home too, so let's go.
Yeah, hell yeah, so do I. Ugh, this is a nightmare. OMG, OMG. I think this is a trail out of here. Oh my gosh. Cannot wait to get away from Ken. Ugh.
Yeah, thank God. Literally.
For real though. Let's get going. But also, I might want to stop at the pond first. Is that okay with you too? Yeah. Okay, Barbie, but only for a little bit. This is taking forever. There's the pond, everybody. Let's go in for a little bit.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's hop right on in, everybody. All right, come on, you two. Oh, this is gonna be such a nice swim. Okay, who wants to go first?
To the hell with it. I'll go first.
Okay, Ken.
Okay, I'm gonna jump on in. You ready, you two? Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, Barbies, it's your turn.
Okay, well, I guess I'm next. Okay, well, I'm gonna dive in. Okay, everybody, here goes nothing. Ugh, my hair is all wet. Barbie, it's your turn now. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm a little nervous, but here we go. Oh, it's so relaxing. Okay, guys, ready to leave? Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
OMG, I am so wet, but I think I see it right there. Home free. It's about time.
Yeah, it's time to go home.
Well, there's the exit, everybody. We made it. Yes, we did. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and rate. I hope you guys have a nice day and a nice night. Here is the exit of the wilderness. We are free now. Yay. It was such a nightmare. Yeah, it was. Except the pond. It was kind of relaxing.